When we arrive in Rotterdam, we have to bunker fuel oil and diesel oil, make sure that the proper valves are open and sound the fuel tanks.
Do you want the diesel oil tank sounded as well?
Yes, and tell the whipper to take off the flanges and prepare the bunker samples equipment.
Where are the empty sample bottles?
They are in our stores on the poop deck.